Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Tangem wallet. For that, first of all, open your Tangem app, and there on the home page you will see a receive option. So you need to select the crypto that you want to transfer and copy your wallet address from there. Afterwards, you will have to open your Coinbase wallet or your Coinbase app, and here you need to simply tap on the cash out option. Then you need to select any of the cash out options that are given over here, like on ramp money. Then you need to press continue in the bottom. So in your Coinbase app you will see the option of pasting that address. So you just have to paste the address that you have just copied from your Tangem wallet. After that, you will just have to simply go on the review page. On the review page you will have to simply double check the address and the network, and this step is super important. Then you just have to confirm and authorize the transaction. Tangem supports multiple networks, so make sure that you are sending an compatible one, like Ethereum or Bitcoin, depending on your token. Once it is confirmed, you just have to simply transfer your crypto from the Tangem wallet to your Coinbase, and it may take some time as well. So if this video helped you out, leave a super thank and subscribe for more simple crypto how-tos. Thanks for watching.